Upgrade your kitchen with these 25 must-have Amazon products, from space-saving gadgets to time-saving tools. Hit like and let's dive in.
Vacuum sealer machine. A game changer for food preservation. With its fully automatic operation and easy locking handle, this sleek stainless steel gadget makes sealing effortless. It features multiple modes like dry, moist, and pulse, perfect for everything from fresh produce to delicate snacks. The widened heating strip ensures airtight seals, keeping food fresh up to 10 times longer. Compact, stylish, and easy to clean, it's a must-have for any kitchen. Plus, it comes with pre-cut bags, a vacuum hose, and a 5-year warranty. Preserve smarter, not harder. The Toshiba Mini Rice Cooker, your ultimate kitchen companion for perfectly cooked rice and more. This compact, multifunctional cooker isn't just for rice. It handles everything from porridge and soups to cakes and steamed dishes with ease. Its fuzzy logic technology ensures fluffy, restaurant-quality results every time by adjusting temperature and cooking time automatically. With a user-friendly control panel, keep warm function, and 24-hour delay timer, it's as convenient as it is versatile. Plus, the non-stick inner pot and removable steam valve make cleaning a breeze. Perfect for small kitchens or busy households, this rice cooker is a must-have for hassle-free cooking. The Dash My Mug ice cream maker. This compact aqua-colored machine whips up single servings of ice cream, gelatos, sorbet, and frozen yogurt in just 20 minutes. Simply freeze the base, add your favorite ingredients through the built-in chute, and enjoy personalized desserts straight from the mug. Its innovative design doubles as a freezable mug, making it perfect for small kitchens or on-the-go snacking. With 2 bowls, a recipe guide, and easy-to-clean parts, this space-saving gadget is a fun and convenient way to satisfy your sweet cravings. The Bear Yogurt Maker. This versatile machine doubles as a Greek yogurt maker, cheese maker, and even a fruit wine fermenter. Its stainless steel inner pot ensures even heating, while the smart microcomputer timer lets you customize fermentation time for perfect results. The included 100 mesh strainer transforms regular yogurt into creamy Greek yogurt, and the 2 100-quart glass jars are perfect for family-sized batches. Easy to clean and BPA-free, this yogurt maker is a must-have for anyone looking to enjoy fresh, preservative-free yogurt, cheese, or more right at home. The Frigidaire Mini Portable Fridge. This compact 10-liter cooler is perfect for storing drinks, snacks, lunches, or even skincare products. Its sleek, brushed stainless steel design adds a touch of elegance to any space, while the thermoelectric cooling system ensures quiet, efficient operation. Lightweight and portable with a convenient carrying handle, it's ideal for home, office, dorm rooms, or travel. With a 15-can capacity and secure locking latch, this mini fridge keeps your essentials chilled and ready wherever life takes you. The BryoBite ice cream maker. This compact rechargeable machine whips up delicious ice cream, sorbet, or milkshakes in just 20-30 minutes. Its double insulated bowl ensures quick freezing, while the USB-C rechargeable battery offers cord-free convenience for up to 3 batches on a single charge. Perfect for 1-2 servings, this portable low-noise machine is ideal for small kitchens or on-the-go treats. Machine with easy one-touch operation and hassle-free cleanup, it's a must-have for ice cream lovers everywhere. The Meinen Oveg Maker. This compact electric egg cooker is perfect for hard-boiled, soft-boiled, or steamed eggs, and even onsen tamago. Its user-friendly design features a digital timer, transparent lid, and auto shutoff for perfectly cooked eggs every time. Made from BPA-free materials, it's safe, energy efficient, and portable, ideal for home kitchens, RVs, or camping trips. With a buzz alarm and sleek design, it's a thoughtful gift for busy professionals, students, or anyone who loves hassle-free cooking. Make breakfast effortless and delicious. The Kitasen Sensu non-stick turkey roasting pan is a durable and spacious option designed to handle large meals with ease. Made from heavy-duty carbon steel, it ensures fast and even heating, delivering perfectly roasted meats and vegetables. The non-stick finish allows for easy cleanup, while the wide riveted handles provide a secure grip. Its U-shaped roasting rack elevates food for even cooking, keeping it out of excess grease. Ideal for both seasoned cooks and beginners, this pan is a great addition to any kitchen for delicious roasts throughout the year. The Utop-like teak dish drainer rack. This collapsible 2-tier drying rack features a smart design. Plates dry on top, while cups and bowls fit neatly below. Crafted from durable, water-resistant teak wood, it's eco-friendly, easy to clean, and built to last. With 15 plate slots and a foldable design, it maximizes counter space and stores effortlessly when not in use. Perfect for compact kitchens, this sleek and functional dish rack is a must-have for keeping your kitchen tidy and efficient. The EKO Automatic Bathroom Trash Can. This sleek 2.6-gallon touchless bin features advanced motion sensor technology, opening in just 0.2 seconds with a simple wave of your hand. Its waterproof IPX5 certified design ensures durability and easy cleaning, while the whisper quiet lid closes softly to avoid noise. Compact yet stylish, it fits perfectly in bathrooms, offices, or kitchens, and its tight seal locks in odors for a fresh environment. With modern design, long-lasting build, and hassle-free setup, this trash can combines convenience and elegance effortlessly. The Dow Time 5-tier coffee bar station is a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen or living space. With a sturdy metal and wood construction, it offers a vintage charm while ensuring durability. The multiple shelves and S-shaped hooks provide ample storage for coffee essentials, small appliances, or decorative items. Its compact design makes it a great choice for small spaces, while its versatile functionality allows it to be used as a microwave stand, baker's rack, or storage shelf. Easy to assemble with included instructions and tools, this piece adds both convenience and character to any home. The Ninja 10-piece non-stick cookware set offers durability and convenience with its extended life ceramic coating. Designed for healthy cooking, it requires little to no oil and is free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, PTFE, lead, and cadmium. The lightweight, heat-resistant handles stay cool on the stovetop, while the oven-safe design allows for versatile cooking up to 350 induction control, easy to clean. The set provides a reliable, long-lasting non-stick experience. Backed by a 5-year guarantee, it's a great addition to any kitchen for effortless meal preparation.
The Süstes Stovetop Whistling Tea Kettle is a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen. Made from food-grade stainless steel, it features an ergonomic, cool-touch handle and a convenient push-button mechanism for easy pouring. With a generous capacity, it's perfect for making tea for the whole family. The innovative 5-layer base ensures fast and even heating, making it compatible with various stovetops, including induction and gas. Designed for both functionality and elegance, it comes with a heat-resistant mitt and is packaged beautifully, making it a great gift choice. For long-lasting use, it's best to heat on low to medium settings. The Dowin dipping bowls with lids are a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen. Designed with vibrant colors and intricate patterns, they bring a pop of charm to your table while serving sauces, condiments, and small appetizers. Made from high-quality porcelain, these bowls are sturdy, chip-resistant, and safe for the microwave and dishwasher. The airtight silicone lids help keep food fresh, making them great for storage or meals on the go. Their stackable design saves space, and they make a thoughtful gift for any occasion. The Vingo kitchen scissors are a must-have tool for any kitchen, designed for effortless cutting of poultry, meat, vegetables, and more. Made from high-quality stainless steel, they are durable, rust-resistant, and sharp enough to cut through chicken bones with ease. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the built-in safety lock provides added security. Lightweight yet strong, these multi-purpose shears are perfect for both kitchen and outdoor cooking. Easy to use and clean, they make meal prep more efficient and hassle-free. The Kitchen Star Pizza Cutter Rocker Blade is a sleek and efficient tool designed for effortless slicing. Made from durable stainless steel, with a sharp, rocking blade, it cuts through any crust while keeping toppings perfectly in place. The black non-stick coating ensures smooth slicing and easy cleanup, while the included protective cover enhances safety during storage. With its modern design and sturdy construction, this pizza cutter is a great addition to any kitchen and makes a perfect gift for pizza lovers and home chefs alike. The vegetable chopper is a durable and efficient kitchen tool designed to simplify meal prep. Made with sturdy stainless steel, it offers a long-lasting alternative to fragile plastic choppers. Equipped with multiple interchangeable blades, it allows for precise chopping, slicing, grating, and shredding, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. The removable design ensures easy cleaning, while the innovative pressure lever system makes dicing effortless. Safety is a priority with the latest handguard, keeping fingers protected during use. Perfect for creating fresh salsas, coleslaw, and more, this chopper is a must-have for hassle-free cooking. The Cutlux Slicing Carving Knife is a precision-crafted tool designed for effortless slicing of meats like brisket, turkey, and ribs. Made from high-carbon German steel, it offers exceptional sharpness and durability, ensuring clean and precise cuts every time. The ergonomic Paka wood handle provides a comfortable grip and stability, making it easy to maneuver. Featuring a razor-sharp Granton edge, this knife minimizes friction for smooth slicing. A protective sheath is included for safe storage, and with its lifetime warranty, this knife is built to last, making it a reliable addition. The Hamilton Beach Electric Raclette Table Grill is a fun and versatile addition to any gathering, perfect for serving up to 8 people. With a spacious non-stick grilling surface and individual warming trays, everyone can customize their meal with their favorite ingredients. The adjustable heat controls allow for searing meats and vegetables while keeping cheese and sauces warm. Designed for easy cleanup, the grill plate and accessories are dishwasher safe. Whether for a party or a cozy family dinner, this raclette grill brings a unique and interactive dining experience to the table. The dish drying mat is a practical and stylish solution for keeping kitchen counters clean and dry. Made from super-absorbent microfiber, it quickly soaks up water, while its non-slip rubber backing ensures stability and prevents leaks. The special surface design helps hide stains, keeping the mat looking fresh for longer. Ideal for drying dishes, glassware, and kitchen appliances, it also works as a coffee bar mat or pet food pad. The Chefman Electric Panini Press Grill is a versatile kitchen essential, perfect for making gourmet sandwiches, grilling meats, or cooking veggies with ease. Featuring a floating hinge, it adjusts to any sandwich size and opens 180 degrees for a larger cooking surface. The non-stick plates and removable drip tray make cleanup effortless, while its compact design is ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or travel. With 1,000 watts of power, it ensures quick and even cooking, making it a great addition to any home kitchen. The Okma Stand Mixer is a powerful and stylish kitchen companion, perfect for baking and cooking enthusiasts. With a 660-watt motor and 6-speed control, it effortlessly handles a variety of recipes, from bread dough to cake batter. Its 6.5-quart stainless steel bowl with dual handles offers ample capacity for large batches. The tilt head design allows easy access, while the included whisk, dough hook, and beater make mixing a breeze. The Kichi Bamboo Cutting Board Set is a durable and eco-friendly kitchen essential. Featuring 3 sizes, these boards accommodate all your chopping needs, from meats to vegetables. Made with carbonized bamboo for enhanced stability and reduced moisture absorption, they resist warping and cracking. Built-in handles ensure easy maneuvering, while deep juice grooves help contain spills. Designed for longevity, these boards require minimal maintenance and make a stylish addition to any kitchen. The YYYY pasta bowls set includes 6 durable, wide, and shallow 30-ounce porcelain bowls, perfect for serving pasta, salads, soups, and more. Made from new bone china, they are microwave and dishwasher safe for easy reheating and cleanup. Their classic off-white design complements any kitchen or dining setting, and their stackable feature makes them convenient for family meals or gatherings. Whether for everyday use or special occasions, these versatile bowls are an excellent gift choice. The Kamenstein Heritage Revolving Spice Rack is a smart and stylish addition to any kitchen. With its sleek stainless steel design and smooth rotation, it provides easy access to a variety of spices while adding a modern touch to your countertop. The included glass jars come pre-filled with a selection of essential seasonings, each clearly labeled for convenience. Designed for practicality, the removable sifter discs make it simple to sprinkle, scoop, or refill as needed. Plus, by registering within the specified time frame, you can enjoy complimentary spice refills for several years. This spice rack is a thoughtful gift choice for any occasion, from house